It's colder than yesterday. If the storm returns, we could lose the trail.
Storm or not, we must go. The Taiga won't wait for better weather. Hold the gear! Don't stop!
Last week, the Taiga killed 2 more reindeer.
If it's grown used to hunting near the herds, sooner or later it will come for men.
We cannot wait for it to come to us. At dawn, when the sun rises, we go.
Keep east. No turns.
Sound.
Today, it will return. We end this here. To the northern ridge, quickly.
It fed here, then moved on.
Murat, sir.
If the wind doesn't stop, we can't go on.
If the fire dies, we die with it.
That wasn't the wind, it was it.
Keep the fire. Don't go out. At dawn, we follow its
Murat,
sound.
Sergei, the ridge is yours. Tugan, ensure the flames hold steady. We prepare for the Ice Heart. Watch the northern ridge!
It is too fast!
The claws to the flank! Hold the line! Get back! Attack now! Die, monster!
You fought like the god of snow. I am only the one who borrowed the blade of fate.